Welcome to the OctoXR Demo Lab. Here you can experience the power of features such as dynamic gestures, realistic grabbing, and pinching interactions. Guide your hand to discover the perfect spot for the object. A simple pinch secures it in place. Place the object to proceed. Move your fingers apart and then together to open or close the engine. Gesture to proceed. Direct your gaze to the palm of your left hand to bring up the pop-up menu. Open the menu to proceed. Target the engine's components outlined in blue and pinch to engage. Try interacting with any object to proceed. Engage with the engine by grasping the pieces highlighted in green. Try interacting with objects to proceed.